It's a warm spring day here in Lollybeep Bridge, and Molly and Henry are headed to the park to see what Walter's new toy is. Hurry, Henry, we're almost there! Molly, I'm the one that knocks everyone over. Sorry, Walter. I was so excited to see what your new toy is. And Henry is right behind me. I got a new skateboard. Whoa, that is so cool. Wow, that's awesome. Who'd you get it from? I bought it myself. I've been watering my neighbor's plants. And cleaning their yards all winter. I finally saved up enough pocket money to buy a skateboard and a little bit of caramel candy. Looks good. Gosh, Walter, that's really fantastic. Thanks, Molly. I'm really excited. I've wanted a skateboard for so long. Whee! Woohoo! Oh, that looks so much fun. Can I have a go, Walter? Sure. Be careful, Henry. Ooh. Woohoo! Don't get too confident, Henry. You might hurt yourself. Whee! I'll be fine. Look, I can go fast. Ugh. Oh, pine cones. Henry, are you okay? What? Of course I'm okay. Actually, I'm ecstatic. This is the most fun I've ever had with a toy. Oh, Henry, that's why you need to wear a helmet when you ride a skateboard. But you're not wearing a helmet. Well, no, because my frill protects my noggin. Although it doesn't really help when I fell into a lake. You fell in a lake? I was on the skateboard in the forest and I was going super fast. I was also chewing some of the caramel candy I got, so my mouth got, well, a bit stuck together. I was trying to get my mouth unstuck and I flew straight into the lake. Blah! Phew! Ugh. That sounds so much fun! I can't wait to get a skateboard. Oh, Henry! In the picnic area, Henry is emptying his piggy bank to see if he has enough money to buy a skateboard. Molly is helping to count Henry's pocket money. Let's see, we have $1, $2, $3, $4. Done! Hooray! How much money do I have, Molly? Oh, sorry, Henry. You've only got $4. Great! Is that enough to buy a skateboard? I'm afraid not, Henry. You've only got enough to buy some jam jars. Oh, pine cones. Wait, did you say jam jars? Yeah, why? I can make my super secret delicious jam recipe. We can set up a booth in front of my house and sell the jam to make money. Everyone will line up to buy some. That's a great idea, Henry! I can help! Let's go! Back in the kitchen, Henry and Molly have collected berries for jam. And Henry is cooking his super secret delicious jam recipe. But poor Molly is a bit worried Henry will hurt himself if he buys a skateboard. What's wrong, Molly? Well, I'm really excited for Henry, but the more I think about it, I'm a bit worried that Henry will hurt himself. He flew into that bush pretty hard earlier. Everything is dangerous if you don't play careful, Molly. Hey, I know! Maybe I can make Henry a helmet. That way it will protect him. That's a great idea, Walter! Oh dear, it looks like Henry's super secret delicious jam recipe might not be going very well. Uh-oh, I think this pot is too small for all of these berries. Oh no! What are we gonna do? Hot blackberries and sugar jam! These berries are hot! And we're covered in jam! Nom 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 nom! And delicious! This is going to make some delicious jam. Oh no! What a big mess Henry's jam has made! I hope he has enough left in the pot to fill all of the jars. Look, Molly! There's still some jam left. Yay! How many jam jars can we fill? Oh dear. It looks like there's only enough left for 1 jar of jam. What are you gonna do, Henry? It's okay, Henry. There will be lots of time tomorrow to make more jam. It's getting late though. We should probably think about going to sleep. Yeah, I suppose. It's okay to be sad, Henry, but look at it this way. It took Walter the whole winter to save up enough to buy a skateboard. We've got loads of time. Yeah, you're right, Molly. Here, you better have this jar of jam. You've earned it. I guess we better get some sleep. There's got to be something I can do to fix this problem. This morning, Molly has asked Henry and Walter to meet her in the picnic area. She's been up all night making a surprise for Henry. I wonder what the surprise could be. Walter, what have you got there? I made Henry a helmet. Oh, you look tired, Molly. Have you been up all night? Not all night, but I wanted to make Henry a special surprise. Henry! Hi, guys. What are you up to? We've got surprises for you, Henry. Here you go. A skateboard? Where did you get this? I made it for you. After yesterday's jam mishap, I just knew there had to be another way. And here's a helmet for you, Henry. Now you won't hurt yourself. Wow, thanks you guys. You're the very best. Oh, Henry. Try it out, Henry. Woo-hoo! Yeah! Oh, Henry, you be careful now. I'm okay. I'm okay. Oh, Henry. Well, thanks to his very thoughtful friends, Henry got his skateboard. Aren't friends the best? Thank you for being our friend, and we'll see you on our very next adventure. Hi, friends! If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button so that you can join us on more adventures. We'll see you next time. Bye!